Oh, the lighting is bad. Okay, we're here at Zanzibar's first. How old is Zanzibar? How old is Zanzibar?
1 year old.
Zanzibar is 1 year old,
Today.
and today is his birthday. There's Zanzibar, not the person with the hat on, but actually the dog. It's his birthday party. Zanzibar. How you like Zanzibar? Zanzibar, this is an interview. How you like it? How are you enjoying your stay here in Zanzibar? Zanzibar. Are you having Are you having fun? Huh?
African homestead.
Uh-huh.
I got pictures.
There he is.
I got
See, this is more African homestead shenanigans. We're at a birthday party. Let's see his cake. Oh,
It's a butter cake. She made it. You're gonna take some.
that's his cake. We ain't blow out the candles. You ain't even put the candles in.
I told her to cut that for me.
We're waiting
So she'll cut your
Lord
piece.
have
We're
mercy.
cutting. No,
Zanzibar.
we're waiting for who's missing. Joe's missing.
Yeah, she'll be here. She had to work. Her whole
Don't
thing
have
closed
to
now.
work.
She'll be in 20 minutes. So.
All right. And we out. Gotta eat some birthday cake.
Sis.
I've never seen a monkey come
How do I
this
get
close
down?
Hey, monkey.
and jump right on Cummings like it was
What
like,
kind of monkey? What kind of monkey is this?
I want to get out.
That's not one of the monkeys from the
Go quickly.
yeah. Same kind? So why is he letting you pet it? It's domesticated? It's somebody's
He just
pet.
jumped on his lap. I said,
It's somebody's pet, right?
I don't think so. Oh my gosh.
Is that your monkey? Oh, it's the community. You keep going in front of my video, Mila.
I'm scared of
So he
this.
just sat
That
right there
monkey,
and
that
peed.
monkey ain't paying no attention to you. That monkey is in love with Hamis. Is that a boy monkey or girl monkey?
Girl monkey.
Girl. He just
Then
sat
the
right
monkey
there.
had peed on the table. Look at that little nasty monkey.
Now he's up in the tree.
He's just like,
We're gonna pee on you. No, now she's gonna poop on you.
how do you,
You better
know?
be. I don't know.
So we just
How do you know she's gonna poop?
I don't know. Your ponytail's in my video.
Hello.
I never seen a monkey so high before. I never seen a monkey.
we always see a monkey high. You never saw it so low.
So how you call the monkey?
I never saw it.
How you call the monkey? Care monkey, monkey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Well, that's a gorilla.
Yeah. Do you know what? You have to call it with the monkey, with the banana.
Oh, I don't have any bananas.
You have to have a banana so to lower
I
it down
don't want to lower it down for what?
because monkeys like bananas. So if you have a banana,
Mhm.
it'll just and come straight to you, and then you can pet it. But if it has rabies, then you can't pet it. It'll bite you.
Uh-oh, how many you got rabies now?
No, only when it has rabies. Only when it gets infection.
Cat's life. Look at Saba. This is the cat that had the 7 babies. She's still slim and trim. Stretched out, doing absolutely nothing. She need to be going right here trying to find some mice or snakes. And we done had a snake here, and she ain't did a dang thing. Look at her. Lay here all day. Some long yellow snake. I don't even know. I didn't look up the name of her. Look at her.
I didn't know they had
Cat's life. So the only 2 cats that come around from her litter is Haji and Omar.
So you know what that means. Somebody done brought it over here.
What? The snake? Nah.
That's one of theirs?
What? Snake? Oh, you mean whether it's indigenous? I don't know. But Saba. Saba. Wake up. Look at this.
That's her name.
Hey,
You gonna give her a name today, then.
wake up. Wake up. Go do something. Look at her. She said, go to hell. So that'll be my short for the day.
Sawa. They wanted to push it to bring to the shed because
Okay, you ready for another one? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's walk this way. Somebody got a bottle down here on the ground. Let's walk around. Okay. You want another one? Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Boy, you're a quick learner. You know it's time for you to go back in your cage. You know it's time for you to go back in your cage. All right. Let's walk over here. Okay. Come. Okay. Okay. Sit. You don't even wait for me to tell you to sit. You know every time you sit, you're going to get a treat. Sit. Okay. All righty. All right, time to go back in your cage. Let's go. Come. Let's see, we got a pen set up for her until we get a... Come on. She don't want to come over here. Come. Come. What's wrong? You got to come back in your cage. You have to. Come on. Y'all wet up. Okay, come. She doesn't like her little makeshift house. She's going to start crying. We're going to get you a proper house today. Okay?